Yo, yo, yo. Big buck rhino. My ancestor was Pitherium, they were such the mammals. 30 million years ago, they were quite great shows. Pterodactyls with several toes. They thrive in the Eocene with such a breeze. With the food being up in the grander trees, their long necks reach the sky high. On these ways, that's how we identify. Great height isn't a thing anymore, having our prehensile lip. What a useful organ to grasp us, who is essential in our powerful grip. Nasty humans steal our land, they control our diet at the palm of their hands. It's obliteration and urbanization. A new location? Bathing in the mud, that's right, all day. Scaring away the heat that way. Working with our best friends, microforests. Always digested in plethora. Hindgut fermenters, we eat great numbers. Microforests help fulfill our hungers, but those parasites inside us. Oh, what a nuisance. Us black rhinos appreciate all the help. Now, take it away, Palace Cat.
Evolve like a pro, the Palace Cat was first. Carnivore, felidae, that's what we rehearse. No known ancestors at any time, evolved in 12 million years, what a climb. Their thick coats make them look kinda scary. Low set ears preserve feet, hear me. They were the first modern cats to evolve. Now that's some resolve. At an evolutionary standstill now, isolation played its part. That's how they ended up with a weak immune system and short little legs that didn't really suit them. Eat pikas and small rodents like a gerbil. None of their diet is made up of herbals. Since they're a feline, they like to eat meat, but sometimes they settle for Passerian heat. Carrion and insects also play a role, but they really don't make up the whole. They prefer pikas because they're really quite slow. Palace Cat is gaining energy, don't you know? Species interact, that's a true statement. Like the Palace Cat and marmot relation, living in their dens that disease cats do. Lucky for the marmots, they already passed through. Cats only live when the marmot is gone, seeking safety for their children to live on. Not only that, the eagle, wolf, and fox all enjoy the lovely taste of fleshy cat locks. But that's enough about me. Let's traverse the world on over to the maned wolf.
You might think I'm a fox just cause of my ears, but being misidentified is the least of my fears. Yo, I'm the maned wolf and I come from the north. America, that is, about 2 million years ago, before I adapted from being too slow. Shorter pups die away, long-lived trait here to stay. Advantageous trait from parent to offspring helped our species with running and hunting. Pleistocene extinction in the Holocene period killed biodiversity by the myriad. Although I've evolved since back then, life down south isn't 10 out of 10. My habitat has fruits, rodents, and birds, but stupid humans have destroyed 2/3. They converted it to agricultural land, then hunt us for sport to get more cash in hand. With the Cerrado completely devastated, the head of the ecosystem's decapitated. My favorite foods I used to hunt, none are left, not even a runt. Less habitat means interspecies conflict. I fight with domestic dogs over food. I lose the fight. I'm hungry. I'm screwed. Not enough energy to reproduce or live.
What is actually a binturong? Not an answer from Dr. Seuss is very wrong. With the body of a bear and the face of a cat, you can say that they're the cutest cat in the hat. Their nickname was created from their parents, where cat was made from intellectual brilliance. Southeast Asia is where they originate, and tropical rainforests are hard to locate. Starting in the Veridae family, the binturong is found specifically. Moving on up to the carnivore order, the binturong is one of the only holders of the prehensile tail, which can hold on to stuff. Ancestors of the binturong were kind of tough. They arose in the Oligocene era, halfway between the dinosaurs and us. They split from the African palm civet to other vivids within a minute. The Arcticus binturong modernized with time, smell like butter popcorn and climb for a pastime. Carnivores? Not really. Binturongs like their fruits and veggies. Figs, the leaves, the plant shoots, everything else is really only fruit. The strangler fig relies on binturongs to survive. Seeds are digested, they sprout and divide. Several bacteria have a common relationship. Neither hurts nor benefits binturong. Now that's a friendship. Loss of habitat and human trading, binturong population is failing. Binturongs are antisocial, but cool.
Although our lives are full of danger, meiosis is the rearranger game changer.
The surviving members pass on their genes, continuing the species by any means.
Diploids, haploids, split them all. Biodiversity will never fall. Genotype to phenotype, alleles, and more make our chances of survival soar.
Together we are Manepallrhinorong. Together we are Manepallrhinorong. Together we are Manepallrhinorong.